guys, welcome to the channel. Just wanted to do a quick update on the 3 mulberry plants that I have. And as you can see, the small plant maybe a year and a half old, but it's like loaded with fruits. This is a grafted white shahtooth mulberry, also known as Pakistani mulberry. So it actually had thrice the amount of fruits that you can see now, but due to the heavy wind and lots of rain, many fruits fell off. So these are the ones that are holding on to the plant. Some are already ready and few are yet to ripen. So this variety is super sweet. Can taste this one that has just fallen off due to the wind. It looks like it's ready. So let me taste this. Super sweet. It's like sugarcane juice. Absolutely sweet. No sour at all. Very, very tasty. And there's no seeds in it as well. Very sweet. So this is the first time it has given fruit. I got it last summer and super happy about it. It's growing in a container. And yeah, there's one more that has fallen. I don't know if it's fully ripe. It still is a little greenish. It has a tinge of sweetness, but the previous one was super sweet. I think around 20 to 25 fruits are still there on the plant. Yeah, this is the white shahtooth, and next to it I have the red shahtooth. So this one actually had lots of fruits as well, but many of it just fell off. Dwarf. This is the dwarf variety. Dwarf mulberry red shahtooth grafted. And this is deciduous, meaning in the winter cold months it will shed off all the leaves. Super hardy. It's not frost sensitive or anything, so it can grow very well here in Melbourne, Australia. So it looks pretty similar to this. It's just that this color is going to be dark red to burgundy color. Hey Bali. Next to that I have the dwarf, another dwarf variety, but this is the black mulberry. And if you can see, even this has many fruits on it, but it's like not at all mature. It's yet to ripen. So yeah, this is the third mulberry that I have. This is a seedling. Even though it's not a grafted variety, it has given fruit like within 2 years, which is amazing. And yeah, lots of new growth. The leaves, it looks almost like the maple tree leaves or the fig tree leaves. Whereas if you see these leaves, it doesn't have that shape. The white shahtooth as well as the red shahtooth, but this one, it's almost like fig leaves. This is the black dwarf. So whenever it says dwarf, it's a very good plant to grow in containers because it doesn't grow too big in size. Of course, mulberry, I've heard that red shahtooth, even though it says dwarf, it will still become like a very huge tree. So you have to prune it quite vigorously every year. So there you go guys, 3 mulberry trees. All 3 have started to give fruits. And of all the three, I think the white Shatut seems to be more prolific. And as you can see, it is an early bloomer as well. Super sweet. I tasted this just now and I can't wait to have more of these. So yeah, there you go. White Shatut, red Shatut, and black dwarf. Hope you had a good time watching this. Please do like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And we'll see you from the next one. Thank you. Take care.